Hello guys, it's been a while since I posted a long video of making jewelry. You know, I just adopted Chico and so busy taking care of him lately. Now he's being a good boy, sleeping at home, so I want to take this chance to film this video for you. Customers have been asking me to make earrings for a long time. Earrings are the accessories that can enhance your temperament and appearance. So I will choose high quality gemstones to make them. And so happen I found really good quality green nephrite jade beads in 8mm and 6mm. So let's do it. The origin of this green nephrite jade is Russia, with nice color and luster. And since they are for stud earrings, the beads have been already drilled half holes. Not sure if you can see clearly on the hole. In order to mix some affordable products, I finally chose the holders made with 925 sterling silver with 18K white gold plated. And there are two sizes here. One is suitable for 8mm and one is suitable for 6mm. Jewelry glue. Many fans asked about the name of the glue when they watched my previous video making the Pandora sparks. This is a professional jewelry glue. You can look at the picture on the screen. Very simple. Squeeze out the glue. And then stir it. Okay, and then carefully put the glue on the jewelry or the metal you need to stake. Make sure you put enough glue, but not too much. Wait 1 hour for it to dry completely. And the beautiful stud earrings are just finished. At the end of the video, I would like to thank everyone for paying attention to Chico's growth. Today is his 14th day. Although he's still a little baby and he's very healthy and can eat and poop. And I will also update his photos or videos to my channel every day. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.